Prez Akufo-Addo. How are you? Fellow Ghanaians? I like this man. During the COVID-19, even give speech pass people with corona kill their country finish. We all come as a fellow Ghanaians. We go to wait for 8 p.m. Now they come as 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Fellow Ghanaians. Shemo. Even Beyonce said, no, they take that Paraconda. Even Beyonce, no, they take that guy private jet. What did they have? What did they happen? According to Ghana people, what they happen? We Africa will borrow money to take private jet again. What did they happen? Ghanaians on the trial. We visit all of the pass through. I don't understand Africa politicians. It's like on an unknown way they call management, like to manage resources. All what the Africa leaders they do, especially West Africa. Cannot they read this news? They give only Nigeria. If you see East Africa, they don't move. Rwanda, they don't move forward. West Africa, they see the thief. They make coup just day. Mali, Guinea, Burkina Faso. The coup go see reach Ghana and Nigeria. You know why? Mona change. I go Turkey. Now government they regulate increase of price. Now government they regulate everything. But for Africa, government day here, citizen day here, like this day.